put your thumb up in this now. No, on the side. The gap on the side. Yeah, that's the whole thumb side.
And it might be.
Now, if you look under that bed outside, you got that area.
Let's go, baby. Smell like new money up in here to me. All right, I don't see you on no cabinets. Uh-oh, Dre got them cabinets.
Come on, man.
Watch out, watch out. Dre got them cabinets. Kevin, you better watch out in here. You the only one ain't doing no work now, Kevin, because Dre on the cabinets. You the only one ain't working. Everybody working. Even my main man Jay over there knocking things out. And Kevin got Jay working. Are you gonna tip Jay? Kevin? Kevin, you gonna tip my homeboy? Huh? Man, you don't wanna talk to the camera today, man. You gonna have to talk to the camera, man. You up in Radford Homes, man. Kurt,
Yes, sir.
you talk to me, won't you, Kurt? Talk to me.
Sir, what you want?
Talk to me, Kurt.
What you need?
Smell like new money up in here.
Smell like new money. You say it smell like money, man. It's money.
It's money, huh?
Whatever you say, Mr. Radford.
Nah, here you go with that shit.
Whatever Mr. Radford said.
Hey, I know one thing.
Yes, sir. What is that?
We gonna get us a new roof next week.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Not this week.
We're gonna leave it alone this week.
Yeah.
This week we're gonna leave it alone.
We're going to let the people get on y'all.
Let me stop that.